Connecting the world, powering the future, Glsun delivers high-performance optical solutions for OTN networks. From advanced equipment WS's transmission system to EDFIS, Glsun provides a stable and reliable network foundation. Our versatile modules, optical bypass modules, WS's modules, and EDFA, enable flexible network expansion and more efficient design. At the heart of our technology, Glsun offers key components, MEMS VOAs and high-quality chips including DFB and SOA, powering optical networks with superior performance and efficiency. From chip to system, Glsun delivers end-to-end optical solutions, enabling faster, smarter, and more reliable OTN networks. Glsun, empowering optical connectivity.